Hi guys, Thirsty Outdoorsmen here. I'm Adam.
I'm Tyler.
And we're about to do something incredibly fun with this guy.
There he goes.
The rookie always...
Get out of here.
We don't wanna wake
Yeah, that's a barracuda.
How hard is that gonna hit?
It's really hard!
Crap.
Say hi.
Hey, Captain Bill Keogh, Big Pine Key. We're here in the lower Florida Keys about to embark on a wild adventure.
all work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day, cause we both deserve it all.
This may be a bonefish. It's a bonefish. Woo!
Is that your first bonefish?
That's my first bonefish.
That's cool, dude.
That is so cool. Oh, that's all right. You're not on camera, right?
Oh yeah.
That is so cool.
What are you gonna do today?
Well, this area of the Lower Keys has so much opportunity between the eco tours that I do and the fishing and the backcountry sightseeing. We could go out there and run into a pot of bottlenose dolphins, see turtles, sharks, stingray. Anything could happen, but specifically we're going to target today mangrove snapper and lobster.
Nice.
Yeah.
Get some dinner.
How's that sound? Pretty good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
We gotta get this guy on his first shark, and we gotta get her behind the camera there, her first shark too. So
Yes.
she gets the first one.
Yeah, I think we can do that today.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Whatever you do, don't let go of the rod.
What do I do with it? It's kind of pretty, actually.
She's married. It's been her first dive.
All work, no play, it's like we're running away.
We're going that away.
And we can't stay in our beds all day,
Shot at him.
cause we both deserve
There he goes.
Oh, it's a shark.
It's a bonnet head.
Oh, that's good.
Look, not talking about last minute. We were so
Fun. This was a really good fight.
We're rolling.
So guys, you saw what we just did, which was fishing, lobstering,
Spearfishing.
spearfishing. I don't know, you name it out here. And Bill has really helped us out, put us on a lot of first times. My first time ever actually catching a shark, and I think I was the only one that, I think I was the only one that actually caught two different species of shark though, so I'm gonna hold that against you.
Mary
That's
still caught
right.
the biggest one though.
Mary did catch the biggest one. And tell them where you can find everything at, social media wise. And
Absolutely, yeah, we are on the web. It's keyskayaktours.com. Big Pine Kayak Adventures is the business name, and we can provide any kind of wild, crazy adventure you want to see on the water down here, from kayak fishing to eco touring to just getting on the boat and looking at stuff, or spear fishing, maybe even catching bonefish.
Ah, that's right.
Yeah.
It's a possibility.
I still can't believe that.
that's another first time.
Wow,
right?
yeah, that was. I haven't been that excited catching a fish in a long
Yeah.
time. I'm not gonna lie, that was awesome.
Yeah,
And those
that
little
was
suckers,
spectacular.
They can fight. You guys, seriously, come if you guys are down here, and even price-wise. I mean, we came down here last year, and we came to you because you had the best prices too on kayak fishing. I mean, we were specifically looking for kayak fishing, but I mean,
Best prices, best tour, best experience,
and the best captain.
and the best
And
captain.
the best location, because if you just pan to the right, you'll see this wonderful bridge.
Oh,
We
yeah.
got kayaks right here on the waterfront, and you can go out there and fish to your heart's desire along that whole stretch of shoreline. So we're situated at just a wonderful, wonderful location here to get in a kayak and get out and experience it on your own.
So there you got it, guys. We had a great time out here thank you guys for watching again. We hope you have a great day. Cheers.
Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you.